this wig is literal perfection.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys can tell, I'm really excited. In this video, I'll be installing and reviewing this RPG show. Like, okay, I'm sorry, they ate with this one. This is like the perfect summer wig. They did this flawlessly. But no, I really like it actually without the baby hairs. I don't think it needs it at all. Let's just jump straight into the video.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My nose look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old look fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my zip is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
So that pretty much concludes the installation. Overall, the hair speaks for itself. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, my jaw's on the floor because the job that they did on the color, baby, like, it doesn't get more perfect. I highly recommend. I'm just always super impressed with the quality. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. This hair is so perfect for summer. It's gonna be so cute for summer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Find your loving, I better find your heart.